Hi there guys.
Hi there guys, welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes guys.
Okay guys, let's talk about this mystery.
Ship that was here in
Called
South Africa.
Lady R.
Yes guys.
That's everyone is talking about it guys.
It.
And what has Lady R done to our economy? Stick around, we'll talk all about it guys. Whether we are worried about it or not. Yeah.
It's tough.
It is tough. Apparently, Lady R guys landed here in South Africa, December.
Yeah, the 5th is.
The 5th of December. That's where it dropped. That's when it dropped its anchor. According to the news,
it was on Simon's Town.
Yeah, that's where it stopped.
Yes.
That's where it dropped its anchor in Simon's Town, guys. And the story is that why was it dock at that place since it is a military based, navy based, instead of a
commercial port.
It
was not a commercial port, it was a navy base.
Yeah, why was it docked there instead of a commercial port? That's the story that's going on. And apparently I will say it's rumors because there is no fact as yet that the US ambassador suspects. He even said he will bet his life that that ship loaded some weapons, ammunition, guys. The ship that was here. That's what he said. He said he will bet his life, and then now, with that statement, South African politicians didn't take it lightly. They said that he is causing our rand to go down as it has.
While it's already down.
While it's on its knees, it's on its knees, guys. It's causing it to go more down. I don't know to what to the knees. Where I don't understand.
I think to the floor now.
So I think it's gonna lie down permanently, guys. So that's why they're not taking it lightly. They demand apology from him, that he needs to apologize. If he had such concern, he should have taken platforms.
To the proper
They said that there are proper platforms to address such matters. You don't just go publicly on media and voice out such statement. So they really don't like that. So they demanded a public apology. And everyone is really worried why the ship was docked. Meanwhile, it turned off its automatically identification. While it was docked at Simon's Town in Cape Town. Guys.
Should we be worried?
About
all this?
I don't think I'll be worried, guys. Our rand has dropped since those news came out, but I don't think I'm worried. Why? Because I have this in my hand right now. I have locked all my rand here in this thing. If you have it as well, you have locked it all in here. Security. All your dollars you've locked it all.
Financial security.
Yes, all here, guys. So this is the reason why I said that should we be worried or not? I don't think I should be worried because most of my rands are locked here. So this is why, guys, we always say buy silver because you don't know what the future hold. So certain circumstances can lead into something like that. And another thing that I've learned is that you don't say it's not in my town. Like the CBDC, most guys were saying it's not happening in my town. It's not gonna come into my town. Look where it is now, July. CBDC. It will be knocking in America's doorsteps. Americans will be forced into CBDC. I will say forced because I don't think
everyone.
There is a person that likes CBDC.
That's true.
So you should never say it's not in my town. It will never happen. Even if you feel that way, but these guys. it's a store of value. It's your own bank. It can rescue in many situations.
Yeah, and I think even us here in South Africa, you never know. Lady R, something that will bring us down and introduce the CBDC very soon.
I don't know. We don't know
because of our rand. It's down.
It's falling.
Yeah, so
it's falling. It's falling on its knees, guys. Yeah. So our video, we wanted to talk about that one.
Just to tell you guys what's happening here.
Since we are just right here, close by. Yes, guys, we just want you all to hear it from us, what's really happening, because with the Lady R, because
they're fighting now.
Because most people from Cape Town are worried as well of what is really going on.
But I think it's more politician than financial.
Yeah, it's politically influenced. But we're not saying it is like that. We just assuming, speculating, guys, from what we've seen. But we'll just wait and keep our ears on the news and listen what's really gonna transpire
and
all
analyze the news also, because the news.
The news, you know the news, guys. You know how they are.
So,
you know how they are. They will hide a lot from you.
You have to
analyze. So just analyze and conclude. For yourself, what you think. So we just wanted to come here, guys, and speak about it.
Not financially advised.
Nothing we are talking about is
our country.
It's financially advice. Nothing that we talk about.
No. Exactly.
So we just seek your financial profession if you want financial advice.
That's true.
Okay.
All right, guys. I wanted to talk about the Lady R, mystery ship.
The mystery one
from Russia.
From Russia, guys. Okay. Because Russia has been allied to South Africa for quite some time. Way back in the days, if you follow history, you will know. Okay.
All right, guys.
All right.
Thank you for watching our videos and subscribing and liking our videos.
Yes, guys.
There's still more to come.
Okay.
Please, thanks. Bye.
Bye.